I'm sick.
Oh, please.
No, sick, ask them. I'm all clammy. I'm pale. I'm pasty.
You always look like that.
Seriously, I'm going straight home. I just came by for a cigarette.
You're sick and you're still smoking?
Look, I got germs inside my lungs. I'm trying to smoke them out, all right? Leave me alone, will you? Friday night, all right? I give you a whole week to build up an appetite.
Oh, don't wait too long, Becker. Your coupon could expire.
Right, yeah. Coupon, that's right. Make that Thursday. Right?
So, Jake, since you don't have dinner planned, Bob's free. How about Dominic's at 8?
That's exactly what I want to do tonight, Bob. Have dinner with you.
Great. I'll see you there.
Bob, I wasn't serious. He's gone, Jake. Well, maybe I should give him a call. No.
Yeah, Becker, you don't exactly look sick to me.
Trust me, I got a bug. I'm just going to go home and climb into bed.